there. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Here we go. 1, 2, 3,
Hey,
4.
I'm taking video. Maybe it's a good idea. Avi, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Abby. I like being filmed.
Uh,
I'm the English teacher.
Say something more about
I know. I'm from America. I'm 24 years old, and I live in Macedonia. And I don't know what to say.
you. Okay.
I like English class.
We should see another one. But you are a teacher or student here?
Teacher, I'm a teacher.
Blažo, can you little back, go back? Can you introduce yourself?
I'm attending this course because I like to improve my English language and because I'm here for 5 years. I have attended this school for 5 years and I like it.
You like your teacher?
Yes, my teacher. Yes.
Okay.
Another one? Can you?
Strawberry. I love in this class also. I like this company. Our teacher also. I don't know what to say anymore.
And Christina.
I'm Christina, I'm from Poland. I'm Macedonia. I like this class and all teachers. And I think our conversation will try us to learn English better and to speak better and to go abroad and to talk to all people in English.
But you mentioned in past once about my English in February and now. You and Jagoda or Strawberry. Can you say that again about my English? I have progress or
your English is very good now.
Yes.
You can talk with us fluently, and I think it's good. It's good.
Yes, it's a big problem.
Blažo, what do you think about my English?
English is better than before, of course, because you have learned it during the summer, and I hope